Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost to a Ford Mustang 2015 5-litre left-hand drive. This system works that if someone clones your keys, breaks your house, takes your keys, jumps in, tries to start it, places it in the gear, vehicle will stall, allowing them not to drive away. So, normally, now, every time you get in the vehicle, ignition on, insert a secret code, get a double flash from the indicators, start your vehicle, place in gear, find no problem. It also has a facility that if you're taking the car for service or you're taking it for a car wash, you don't want to disclose the code. The way you place it into valet mode, ignition on, again insert the secret pin code, get a double flash from the indicators, then hit the air conditioning button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indicators will flash 5 times. The vehicle now will act like a normal car. So therefore allowing you to start it as many times as you want until you reinsert the pin code, or someone exceeds a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit for 15 minutes and therefore it will jump out of valet and go back into Ghost, and the vehicle will not be able to be moved unless the customer inserts the code again. I hope you've enjoyed my video. As I said, the company is called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.